TikTokers, it's Dawn today, and I want to show you about my spice rack. It's made with the Ball spice jars. They come 4 to a pack, and it takes 7 packages of these to make one shelf. And this little shelf I got from Amazon, and it's called Song Mix, and it's like anywhere from $14.99 to $17.99. It bounces around in price, but each one of these packages are between $5 and $7. You can get them at Target, Tractor Supply, and Walmart.com. And I've labeled it with the label maker from Walmart, and you can see how good. And I have one over here too. And it holds a lot of spices. Usually holds about anywhere from an ounce to 2 ounces of if they're 4-ounce bottles. Thank you guys.